Hey folks, Jim Thomas here, Fitness Management and Consulting, and welcome to our channel today. I appreciate y'all being here. And if you're new to the channel, if you're finding us for that very first time, welcome as well. And this is a quick reminder to all, my focus, my mission here on the channel is I want to be able to provide as much information as I possibly can to as many people as I possibly can, across all regions. And the best way I can do that is when you choose to subscribe, when you choose to like the videos, and when you choose to share them with friends and associates and colleagues. So if you've not yet done so, please hit that subscribe button. Please like the video, and to learn more about me and my company and how we can help take your business to that next level, check out those links below. Whether you're ready to start a new gym and you want to shorten that learning curve and sleep better at night as a result of it, let us know. We're happy to help you. If you've got an existing operation that maybe it's not performing like you want, let us know. We have programs that can help you grow that. Or if you simply need a boost with additional marketing, with additional financing, check out those links as well. And so with that said, let's go ahead and get into our topic here today. And it's 6 types of gym marketing strategies that work. 6 types of gym marketing strategies that work. Of all the things that we do, okay, when I go in and look at a club and we do an analysis and we're looking at potential turnarounds and things like this, one of the biggest problems they face is simply no one knows who they are. And those that do don't have them at top of mind. And maybe we're doing 1 or 2 things to kind of get the word out. So think about each of these. Are you doing each one of them? I want to suggest that you do. Okay, and then expand on each one of them. We want to get known by everybody in our community. So the 6 types of gym marketing strategies that work. Number 1, word of mouth. Okay, and in word of mouth, these can be your testimonials, they can be your reviews, it can be your recommendations, it can be referral programs you have inside your gym. Okay, this is a powerful tool, and this is one that does not get taken advantage of probably enough. Okay, get yourself a referral program for new members, for existing members. Okay, make sure we're getting testimonials, we're getting reviews, we're getting recommendations. Talk to your best members, give them a link, make it easy for them. Okay, but really promote your word of mouth marketing. Number 2, it's content marketing. Okay, content marketing. Now, one of the things I would say on content marketing, one of the keys to it is make sure you really got your website is kind of SEO'd up, your search engine optimization. Okay, whoever your web person is, they can help you with that. WordPress has some good programs with that. But, content marketing, it can consist of things like videos, podcasts, blogs, all your social media networks. These are all great content marketing sources. And one of the challenges that I see sometimes with content marketing and just kind of taking blogging, because the great thing about blogging is it you put these things on your website, it keeps them on your site longer. Okay, gives them more chances to be prompted to want to submit information. Okay, it's an easier way to find you. And sometimes the problem with blogging is, I just don't have time to do it. Have all your staff write a blog. Just speak from the heart. Doesn't have to be anything fancy. It can be as short as 300 words if that's what it is. If it can go longer, great. But everybody does it, and everybody does it every week. All of a sudden, you've got consistent content going out there. That's one way to do it if you're not really comfortable or have the time to write blogs and do that on a frequent basis. Something else to think about is your video marketing, things like YouTube, these kind of channels, and this. You can also take these videos that you do, and you can convert them into a video over on Spotify. Okay, head over to anchor.fm, and you can kind of set up a free account there, and you can take these same videos and put them over there. Okay, matter of fact, you can find me over there. Okay, and so there's a lot of ways where people can find you and find good content. Okay, so content marketing is big. It's going to make you let people know that you are the expert in what you're trying to help them with. Number 3 on my list of 6 types of gym marketing is your local marketing. Your local marketing. SEO, again, is a big part of this. You start, you're going to do a search for gyms near me. You want to make sure that you're the one showing up. But on that local marketing, one of the first things I would do from a technology standpoint is get connected on all your local site directories. And you can just do a search for that, just local site directories. I think HubSpot has a nice article on it, and they show like all 50 of them that you have out there. And certainly Google My Business is probably number one. If you don't have that one, certainly grab that one, and make sure you use it, and use it to its fullest extent. Don't just have it and not use it. And all of these I think are going to be free. Sign up for them. Most of them are one and done. The Google My Business, you actually can't post. You can get reviews on there. It's a little more expansive. But also thinking about local marketing. Local billboards on the local freeway. I mean, the park bench. Anything to get your name out there. Relationships with all of your local stores. Every single one of them. Okay, you want to create these brand ambassadors, in your area. Number 4. Of 6 types of gym marketing strategies that work. It's email marketing. Do not underestimate the power of email marketing. Email marketing, it's one of the better ways that you can maintain the relationship, because these are all folks that have contacted you at some level that are in your email list, and you want to maintain that relationship and continue to market and continue to promote. And think about, creating landing pages where you provide, a white paper, you provide information on, how to lose weight, or how to run your first marathon, or, how to get your figure back after having twins, whatever it might be. Have landing pages for that, to acquire additional email addresses and continue to grow that. Number 5, many folks will do this one, okay? Performance marketing. What's performance marketing? Well, that's paid ads. It's, running your Google pay-per-clicks. It's your, ClickFunnels, okay? And you want to make sure you get the right ones. You don't want to be spending for what you're not getting. If you need help with that, click the marketing link below. We've got a program that can help you with that. That can get you, I think one club last week got 35 leads from it. Okay, so we can really make a big difference. But performance marketing, it's anything you're paying for. Okay, make sure you monitor it. Make sure you understand your acquisition cost on that. Don't be overpaying for this. And sometimes, with all the other marketing we're talking about that doesn't cost, it's a good mix, because all the other helps bring your cost per sale down. And then influencers marketing, local, who influences your local market? Who's got an opinion in your local market? Get with these people, okay, and find the ones you align most closely with, and they can write articles and blogs and things of that nature. We've done programs, when finding these folks that that have an opinion, okay, they influence, okay, in your area. Maybe it's a local juicer. A lot of those folks have really good blog followings on how to eat and healthy lifestyles. And we've done joint ventures with those. We've kind of done a blog swap and email swap and things like that, and they've worked incredibly well. Okay, when somebody else that has an opinion is given an opinion on what you do, and it's favorable. Okay, so take a look at these 6 types of gym marketing strategies. They'll work for you. You have to do them. You have to do them consistently, and then just build on each one of them as time goes on, and your reach gets bigger and bigger and bigger. This is going to be a great way to grow your business. So folks, again, my name is Jim Thomas. My company's Fitness Management and Consulting. Appreciate you being here at the channel today. And again, my mission here in the channel is I want to be able to reach as many people as we can. And the best way we can do that is to when you subscribe, when you choose to like the videos, and when you choose to share the information with friends, associates, and colleagues. And again, to learn more about me and my company, check out those links below. And we look forward to taking your business to that next level. And we look forward to seeing you all in that next video.